Hello dear friends everywhere, welcome in a new video in the author educational channel with you Mr Ibraheem Adeeb. My video today is about the difference between because and because of. My video today is about the difference between because and because of. In my video today, we will learn the differences between because and because of. Okay, let's start. At first, because is followed by two full sentences. Because is followed by two full sentences. Full sentence before it and full sentences after it. Okay? What does the word full sentence mean? Full sentence mean a sentence from subject, verb, and complement or object. Full sentence means sentence with subject, verb, and complement or object. As you see, because in the middle, before because, subject, verb, and object, full sentence. After because, subject, verb, and object, full sentence. Okay, again, because is followed by two full sentences. Okay, now with some examples to get the meaning easier. He got full marks because he studied hard. He got full marks because he studied hard. Before because he got full marks, it is a full sentence. After because he studied hard, it is also a full sentence. If I ask you, what is the tense of the two sentences? What is the tense of the tenses he got full marks and he studied hard? Excellent. They both is in the past simple. They both is in the past simple. So the two sentences with because must be in the same tense. If the first is in the present simple, the second must be in the present simple. If the first is in the future simple, the second must be in the future simple, and so on. The two sentences must be in the same tense. Okay? Another example. They win the match because they train hard. They win the match because they train hard. They win the match, present simple tense. They train hard, present simple tense. Because they win the match is a full sentence. They train hard is a full sentence. And both of them are in the present simple tense. Another example. Basant gets up early because she goes to her college. Basant gets up early. A sentence in the present simple. She goes to her college. A sentence in the present simple. Okay? Another example. Hani ate much food because he was very hungry. Hani ate much food is a full sentence in the past simple tense. He was very hungry, full sentence in the past simple tense. Okay? Another example, they will go to the wedding because they will be invited. They will go to the wedding is a sentence in the future simple. They will be invited is a sentence in the future simple. So, both of them are in the future simple. Okay, now with because of. There are some similarities between because and because of, and there are a difference between because and because of. At first, what's the similarities? The similarities, the meaning. Because equal because of in the meaning. Both of them use for the reason, to show the reason of anything. Okay? Both of them are followed by full sentence, but the difference in the second sentence. Okay, now with because of. Because of is followed by verb ing or gerund or noun. Because of is followed by verb ing or noun. But because is followed by full sentence. Okay? That is the difference between because and because of. Because is followed by full sentence. Subject, verb, and complement or object. But because of is followed by gerund, verb ing or noun. Okay, now with some examples to understand easily. Huda gets high marks because of, because of what? Because of studying hard. Studying is verb plus ing, or studying is a gerund. It's clear that because of is followed by gerund. Another example. He got up early. He got up early because of sleeping early. Because of sleeping early. Also, because of is followed by sleeping verb plus ing or gerund. Because of training well, he always wins. Because of training well, he always wins. We can use because of at the beginning of a sentence, yes. We can use because at the beginning of the sentence, yes. Okay, there's no problem. Because of training well, he always wins. Because of what? Training. Training is a verb, ing. My father got a certificate because of working hard. My father got a certificate because of working. Verb plus ing. Another example. As I said before, my father, I must say my mother. Okay, my mother went to the market. My mother went to the market because of buying some vegetables. Buying some vegetables. As we see, because of is followed by gerund, verb ing or noun. I wish you understand the difference between because and because of. Please don't forget to subscribe in my channel, the Author Educational Channel. Mr Ibraheem Adeeb. Goodbye.